Welcome all. In this video, we are going to discuss unit step and ramp signal, its definition, graphical representation, and mathematical equations. Let us start with the unit step signal. Step signal is represented as sudden application of input signal. It is used to find how system responds to sudden change in input. Let us draw the graphical signals. First of all, continuous time unit step signal. The continuous time unit step signal is represented as u of t. This signal has constant amplitude 1 for all values of t greater than 0. If we represent it mathematically, we can write u of t is equals to 1 for values of t greater than equals to 0, and u of t is equals to 0 for values of t less than 0. Similarly, for discrete time, unit step signal is represented as u of n. And this signal u of n has samples of amplitude 1 for all values of n greater than and equals to 0. If we represent this signal mathematically, we can write u of n is equals to 1 for all values of n greater than equals to 0, and u of n is equals to 0 for n less than 0. Next signal is ramp signal. Ramp signal is linearly growing function. If we draw the graphical representation for continuous time, the ramp signal is represented as r of t which is continuously growing for all values of t greater than or equals to 0. At time t is equals to 1, the amplitude of ramp is 1. Similarly, at t is equals to 2, the amplitude of ramp is 2, and so on. So mathematically, we can represent ramp signal as r of t is equals to t for all values of t greater than equals to 0, and r of t is equals to 0 for t less than 0. Same signal we can represent in terms of u of t as r of t is equals to t into u of t, where u of t is indicating the limits of ramp signal. Similarly, this continuous time signal we can sample and represent the discrete time ramp signal as R of n whose amplitude increases with the value of n. When n is equals to 0, amplitude is 0. For n is equals to 1, amplitude is 1. For n is equals to 2, amplitude is 2, and so on. As value of n increases, the amplitude of discrete time ramp increases. Hence, it is called as a linearly growing function whose value increases linearly with respect to time. Mathematically, we can represent the signal R of n is equals to n for n greater than equals to 0 and R of n is equals to 0 for n less than 0. Or we can represent it in terms of unit step as R of n is equals to n into U of n. So this is all about unit step and ramp signal. Thank you for watching the video.